कि khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Lajan saulak ligi long Ïing, hakishnong Nongkyndong jongka Jylla Meghalaya kilayo yak Umbam Umdih lingba skim Sam Jal Jeevan Mission layuthu Menteri Katnat PHE Umarkus and Marak. Haka jingi keren bagi lapatai kubor Marak loong. Baka jing pentre yakni ke projek kadang ya cakmat bat ka sorkar kalabu thong ban pendep yakni projek Sam ling baka Jal Jeevan Mission ha ukala lengkot jong snem arhajar usah. Menteri layuthu ba dang hau benaya yong mentau snam arjar pulai ke Jylla Meghalaya kalayo pedang saus pak klur kum kacing arab nak sorkar pedang ha ke bedai ba kacing pendap stat ya ke skim Jal Jeevan Mission hapo ke Jylla.
Water supply scheme is also, because of so many reasons, there was questions in assembly, but it did not come because and on that particular day only 2 questions were disposed of because that questions were very important questions. So my question was next, but it did not come. Jylla's water supply scheme is also because of the drying up of the sources. Most of the sources are drying during the lean season, and we have had the alternative of getting water, second option of water supply for Jylla by pumping. But during lean season again we have a power problem, electricity problem, because of which we cannot pump from the river canal. So these are the main issues why we are facing shortages in Jylla town also. But to address this, government has already taken a step like bulk water supply. For the bulk water supply scheme from NESIT, we are going to get another project. NESIT and Government of India and then Government of Meghalaya Secretariat level today had a meeting, and there it is already approved for the Jylla bulk water supply scheme. So we are hoping to resolve the issues faced by the Jylla town. Not be resolved. It is almost like Shillong water supply problem. In Shillong also we have a problem with municipal board. It is the municipal board, as I say, who distributes the water, who give connections to every household. In Jylla also, it is the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council who distributes and who man the water supply scheme to the people. But PHE department only supplies to the reservoirs where it is been transferred to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Councils. We are trying to bring it back to the PHE department so that we can give efficiency in terms of supplying of water, and department knows how many quantity of waters are being pushed to the reservoirs and treatment plants, and that treatment plants can be supplied to how many households. Department knows it, but then the distribution part is with some other agencies, so therefore we are also getting lots of problems in that. Official level we have already started this process, but we are not getting any response. We may have to take politically now. Today I think it is almost 59% now. We are very close to 4 lakh connections now. So once we get the 4 lakh connections, we will be crossing 60%, and we are doing very well now. I don't have the figure right now with me, but then our target is 6 lakhs plus villages. Given the deadline of January 26, 2024, physical situation, we are hoping to reach at least by 80-90%.